What's up guys? Andrew here from Namaste Lean, and today we're going to cook one of my favorite dishes, Mexican quinoa bowl.
You're gonna love this vegetarian quinoa bowl. It's packed with protein and it's seriously healthy.
We're doing sausages. Sausages! That's what we're making today. Stick with me.
Oh yeah. But they're not really sausages. They're vegan sausages. With caramelized onion.
What's up everyone? We're cooking vegan sausages today, Mexican quinoa bowl. Really excited about this one. Huge protein, perfect macros, and it's gonna get you back on track, and it's super easy. Let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, you're gonna get a tablespoon of olive oil, put it in the pan. You're gonna cut up your sausages and throw them in.
Just throw them in, send it. These sausages are delicious, especially when paired with some local red onions fried up, and damn, that baby just blew up like a piñata. Wow. Looking good.
Perfect, that just looks beautiful. Awesome, that's what I wanna see. So we're gonna fry it up, sausages golden brown, boom. Then we're gonna fillet the jalapeno, slice it up, half a jalapeno each portion. We're gonna throw it straight in the pan. Favorite part, the spinach. Look how big that spinach is, it's huge.
Massive.
Would you normally eat that?
Never.
That's a lot of spinach.
Looks like salad.
You throw it in the pan, it breaks down the spinach. Simple as that, it's awesome.
Like it wasn't even there. Yummy. Minced garlic. Perfect. Add some of that. This is from Dollarama. That's okay. It was kind of like paint thinner. Some cherry or grape tomatoes, you choose. Wow, that's looking damn good.
Fry up the mixture, golden brown sausages. We're gonna get our quinoa mixture ready, and we're gonna throw it in.
Look at that.
Perfect, that's your dinner. Easy as that. 10 minutes dinner with meal prep, delicious, full hearty dinner.
Serve it up.
Oh, that's 2 portions right there. Easy as that.
This is my favorite part. Avocado per serving.
Beauty, look at that avocado. That's perfect. So this dinner is perfect because it has perfect macros.
And it's all about getting that perfect balance of protein, fat, and carbs. Avocado, the good kind of fat that keeps you full longer. And don't forget about your Greek yogurt instead of that sour cream, because this is high protein. Wow, check that out. That's like something out of a Mexican restaurant right there. And oh, don't forget your salsa, just watch your sugar, okay guys?
It's great to have something that's delicious, that makes you feel good, so you can stick to it and really get some real results.
Thanks for checking out our video. I know you liked it, so hit the subscribe and like button down below. And remember, above all, Namaste Lean.